This is Pioneer's TS-WX010A compact subwoofer. This subwoofer is designed to be very small in size, yet still offer powerful, impactful bass for high sound quality, while also offering very low power consumption. It's a perfect fit for many of today's vehicles, including electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles, where space is at a premium, but low power consumption is also a very high priority. At only 9 inches in width, 4 5/8 inches deep, and 2 3/4 inches tall, this product is very, very compact. In fact, it is 48% smaller than Pioneer's next smallest powered subwoofer. The TS-WX010A features a unique new subwoofer. It's rectangular in shape, 6 5/8 inches wide by 3 1/8 inches deep, featuring an aluminum diaphragm for low mass but high strength, a urethane surround, and a powerful magnetic circuit. The woofer is powered by a Class D amplifier for high efficiency and low current consumption, featuring a 160 watt maximum output and a 50 watt nominal output. This is a very big advantage, especially when compared to a traditional Class AB amplifier, because it not only is lower in power consumption, but it also is very compact in size. Pioneer TS-WX010A is a unique product designed for today's vehicles as well as tomorrow's vehicles. Especially optimized for hybrid vehicles and electric vehicles, where electrical efficiency, small size, and low weight is a very high priority.